What's up, everyone? This is Draft Jumbo. These are 4 Lucy's from Instagram that I found this morning, added as a PYT, and we're already full. So that just shows what kind of demand we have for draft right now. There's also a full case of Bowman Hobby that I added this morning. That's getting close. We'll add that to replace this on the screen. 2024 Bowman Hobby with Dylan Cruz and Jenkins and Walcott. Full case of that. It's looking more and more like that way, CTP. I mean, a lot of these guys have been very impressive. Small sample sizes this spring. I know it's just spring, but it's really a lot of these guys' first tastes. Professional action. We have 12 autos a break here. Braves, Stros, and Nationals still around. Yeah, for sure. Every time I check the box scores, Cam Smith is doing something. Connor Griffin looks extremely impressive. I don't know how he's only 18 years old.
There's obviously thousands of reasons, but all of those guys have done in the last 7 times you literally can't lose.
Yes, and he knows. This is one of those products where if it makes sense and we can find it in bulk, they get it. But yes, I will again.
See, the thing about like this is when you have these 4 guys, it's one of them. I sent you the best 4.
All right, I don't even know what I'm looking for. I need you to show me on the app. Hold on, I'm doing a break. I'll ask you after. We're getting gambling lessons with Dillman right outside. We got to do a quick filler here. These 3 teams are still available. If you want to kill it for 85, you got it. Otherwise, we'll line a filler.
But if 4 hit, you hit 1 4-teamer and a 1 2-teamer. And you hit all your 2-teamers, yeah. So, like, there's 10 ways to make a 2-teamer and 10 ways to make a 3-teamer on 10
The odds obviously are much worse.
No, it's the same thing. What you're doing is, you're doing it where
All right, cool.
if you pick 5 guys, you're basically doing every parlay possible of all 5 of those guys.
Yeah. So your $500 bet of all those total bets is going to be like, what do you think, $15 almost? What's the, how many total combos was there on one of 5 teams?
A 5 team, there's 27 total combos.
Right, so 500 divided by 27 or whatever.
Yeah. that's again, so you have a 3-teamer, you have ABC, ABD, ABE,
Does it go down to
BCD.
single?
You can do singles too, that's a full cover.
How many combinations does full cover make?
A 5-teamer, there is 1 5-teamer, 4 4-teamers, 10 3-teamers, 10 2-teamers, and 5 straight hits. I was somewhat good at that a long time ago. But what really happens is when you really pick more and more and more, it fucking gets into the stupid astronomical amount.
Update the light is down to 8. Here's the link to that.
Here, we'll help you.
$9,000+ bounty.
I'll show you exactly what you're looking for, and then you could use the information as you see fit. We have no guarantees here at the.
Yeah, no, I know. It seems like
But
everybody's.
you can put a little $10.
Yeah, for sure.
You can put a little $10 sweat in and on a couple.
It's funny
because
because I just activated this account like last week. I went there because they had the best odds on some of the futures.
Yeah, I told you you need to give me those because I bet with you last
Yeah,
year.
yeah.
The only one you told me is not to make the playoffs. Oh boy.
Okay, yeah. Here, show me where I go to get them.
So you go to NHL.
Yes, the last auto for a free spot in the random.
You can pick any game, and they'll say right there.
Player assist. Oh, player power play points.
Yep. And then if you hit see all, it's like amazing. It shows you everybody for that game, but then you can like scroll and just
Oh,
pick a
okay,
different game.
cool. Did you tell me what teams the guys are on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna put in a round robin.
Well, I mean, I could just tell you the 4.
I got a deposit. I'll do it.
Here. Oh. I don't know what just happened. The 4 that I gave you. See, the thing is, there's like 15 guys that I like, quote unquote.
Yeah.
But the like literal like major 4 that we're all on are these 4.
All right, I'll take these 4. What'll probably end up happening is 3 of them will hit, and then I'll be sucked in for the rest of the season.
That's
and
fine.
I'll probably start making my
We're
own.
okay
Oh,
with that?
someone said that guy's name in the chat. Timo?
Timo Meyer.
Yeah. Maybe
Yeah.
it was when
Well,
Tim
he's
was here.
replacing a guy that was that got hurt the other day. That's why his.
Do you
odds
ever
are so
take
big.
these straight? I mean, plus 600?
If you hit 1, you win money.
Oh, so you do take them straight.
You didn't, so you didn't even. But Ellie and show.
The Cubs supported the numbers you had. So I'm not gonna, like, obviously
Good luck.
go 40% Cubs just to.
Purple first, Billy Amick. Numbered out of 250 for McWitty and his twins to start on a Culpepper refractor. No freaking way. Is that a Spotlight Super? We have a Spotlight Superfractor. What the hell is going on today? These small breaks. 101 Super! These are the prettiest freaking cards. I honestly didn't even know who it was. I had to turn it over. Emil Morales Superfractor for the Dodgers.
It's a good looking card.
How sick are those? The small breaks. Hitting the supers. Trip dub for the PC.
Super?
Yes.
Right when you left.
Dude, I am good luck.
Spotlight Super.
Every time I come in this.
Honestly, the camera doesn't do this card justice.
No, that I would love one of those cards.
Yeah, this card is insane looking. The camera does not do this card justice. Beautiful. Congrats, Tripped Up. First stack of the break. The Instagram loose box mojo. I'll try and get a good picture of that at some point. That is crazy. Hit more supers today than some weeks. Emil Morales. Crazy. Blue first, Carson DiMartini. Paper, 150. Unfortunately, I didn't know who it was, and I had to flip it over to see, but hopefully one day we'll look back in that and laugh. Ferrer Lunar. Refractor autograph, Mike Sirota at a $4.99 for the Reds.
So I forgot what it's called, but how
Nice hit, Joseph.
when my chest was getting it, when I had COVID, they gave me this thing that you like suck into and expands your lungs. And it, like, yeah, it like resistance at 20, but it's like super cheap. But I like that literally like saved my life because when I got all this backed up and all like started to breathe better. But I gotta look what it's called.
I would say that, I was gonna guess another word is developing in love with it. I had some from my
Yeah,
kids, and I just let it keep going.
that's what I did. Yeah,
Ended up with pneumonia deep in it.
that's the worst thing. Yeah, that's why COVID pneumonia. Yeah, the reason it was
Seaver King, first chrome. James Tibbs, refractor.
If you're like me, it's way too late. They're like,
Base autograph, Connor Foley, Diamondbacks. Christian Moore, refractor. Everybody's on the NHL power plays. Power play parlays. Sky Blue Tyson Lewis for the Reds.
monitor you.
Yeah, Morales. He was a big chase in this past Bowman Chrome. That I do remember. Let me wipe this down real quick and try and get a picture that fully captures what's going on this card, because the camera definitely doesn't do it justice. No, I'm with you, Sam. I'm with you.
It's only like some prescribed for me, but like, that's where you go.
Oh yeah, you could tell from this picture.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, that's not urgent care? No. But I'm saying urgent. But I'm saying you went to urgent care first, right? No, no. Oh.
Boot camp is you have to go to hospital on base.
Yeah. I thought it was yeah. Oh, I know how that
Yeah,
works.
so it's the hospital on base. They're like, going through doctors here that they would get me.
Just go
It's a
home and
PC
rest.
hit too. You can probably tell better from the camera through the picture.
Yeah, no,
Well, that's a little blurry.
yeah.
But you get the point. Those champagne swirls looks better through in person for sure. Rose gold to 10. No way, of Morales again. It's the Emil Morales Dream Break. A super fractor and a rose gold. What are the chances? That's pretty nuts. That could have been the same box too, now that I think about it, because we haven't even seen 3 autos yet. Casey Saki at a $4.99. Seaver King refractor. Shocking. At this point, anything I see, I don't even know if I can get shocked anymore. I've seen it all. For the Fish, Augustine Ramirez to 200.
Kings play tomorrow, great. Oh no. Ducks and Canucks.
Auto of Randall Diaz for the Nationals.
Yeah, there's 5 games tomorrow. You get yourself in trouble.
Exactly, Axios. Well put. I think it's Emil Morales, Christian Moore base, Tibbs base, Sissel refractor, Jared Cerna. This kid launched a homer the other day. Little guy, I was impressed. Yellow auto of Cole Mathis. Nice one there for the Cubs. More PC goes to C Cubs. People hitting their PCs. Another second round pick. Very nice. We already need more Jumba. This would have been a run back for sure. Caminiti at a 150 mini diamond die cut. Llewellyn Lunar, 2021 Chrome? I don't think so. Cole Mathis to 499. Speckle of Jeremy Rodriguez. Bowman Chrome, we have 2022 and 2024. Blue Wave Auto. Color keeps on coming. Shortstop is Dix. A Blue Wave Dix for CTP. 39 of a $1.50. Keep the color rolling. Nice Dix. Almost as cool as Ha Ha Clinton Dix. Not quite though. Base auto Tyson Neighbors for the Padres. Samuel. Rayner base. Hagen Smith base. Braden Montgomery refractor. Intune Green of Perdomo out of 99 for Guam. Jose Perdomo. Nick Kurtz refractor. Paulino Santana refractor to 250. The Plasma Power refractor for the Rangers. Wow, the Cole Mathis break. Emil Morales and Cole Mathis doubling down. Jackpot for those two guys. Get the true gold to go with the true yellow. See Cubs. The highest selected draft pick by the Cubs that is still a Cub from this season. Pretty crazy right there. Yellow and a true gold. Base auto Seaver King for the kill. Good name there. Nice hit, Guam.
They're relegating me back to 2 a.m.
It's a great break.
No more than 10 minutes. So, yeah, they said they're trying to avoid
Aquawave Jerron DeBerry to 125.
It's a distraction to.
Yeah, I forgot about this.
Carmelo to 499. Is that definitive?
Yeah, you
Okay.
put
Added as
As long
a
as it's not when it's not
single
gonna be
box
cut.
or what?
Run it as the player break, the
Oh,
full
okay.
case player.
Okay. Kurt's base. Harlan Sky Blue. Bazana Chrome.
Go verify it.
Super.
Another super.
Old school super. Oh no, new school super.
2 supers today.
Where'd it go? In here?
Down here.
Oh,
I got them separated.
I thought it was a super auto. I thought.
Oh, no. Not quite. Still a sick one. Yeah, for real. He's like, just a non-auto super. Parker 125. He acts like he's pooping those out. So I got 2 stacks left here. Need sleeves. Well, let's impress the man and find a super auto. Connor Griffin Lunar. The one highlight of his spring training home run, you could just tell that kid is going to be a star. Bryce McCage for the Crew. Ace auto, David. Connor Griffin refractor. $4.99. Carson DiMartini. Aqua Crater of Gerald Perez to 125 for the White Sox. I think that's the second one of those. We'll see in the recut. King base. Pink Crater Walker Jenkins for McWitty. Base auto of Kurtz for Fiction 87. Nice bold auto right there. Another good name. I know you're loaded up, Sam. I assume you got more than that, too. I know you were on him early. Cam Smith base, Caglione base, Sky Blue Billy Amick. What's up, Pekka? Thank you, brother. Hope you had a good week. We're amidst the Cole Mathis break right here. Well, hopefully whoever was ripping the first half of this case on Instagram isn't too mad when they realize I took the rest for YouTube. Because you are very right, Axios. This has been a crazy half. until spring training rolled around and all these guys were getting hyped up. It's a great time to be ripping this product, honestly. Zaire Hope, green grass at a 99. Another nice Dodger, Sirota to 499. Rainer base. Good luck, Vandy. You rip it yet? Another Griffin base. Everyone's ripping their own boxes. Good luck to you as well, Sam. Like a little Percy rip. Purple autograph of Rinders. I thought we had a Griffin there for a second. Take the Rinders for Sam. Their color auto. You saw him live in person, Vandy? Nice little stack here. Cole Messina, Sky Blue, Kuroda Grauer, Refractor. Could be the last auto right here. Carter Holton for the Braves. And Guam. Oh, got more color. Got another gold. Bryce Cunningham, first Bowman gold for the Yanks and Guam. A couple nice pitcher pieces at the end for Guam. Don't sleep on the pitchers, though. Pretty surprised at some of these pitching prices. Not even just Skeens. Bizarre Refractor. And that is the 4-box of draft. Great 4 boxes. Wow, Roger Dean Stadium, Vandy. I'm jealous. Yeah, that was an absurd 4-boxer. I feel like I top-loaded more cards in that 4-boxer than I do in some full cases. Recap, or maybe it's just because I kept the base cards in here. Nice, bro. Enjoy. I love it down there. You went to the card shop that's like right there, 2 minutes from there? Gotta go see my fish. Oh, not, well, there is a shop literally 2 minutes from that stadium. I'm sure you already knew that. If you wanted to check out another one. Seaver King base auto, Kurtz base auto. We have the Mathis gold, the Mathis yellow, the Emo Morales, and the Emo Morales super. Spotlight super. Camera doesn't do it justice. Rose gold to 10. A couple of big name base autos. Kurtz, King. Our refractors. Great break. Congrats to the hitters. Beat the sword a couple of those.